In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your Audiomack profile and let it look professional like popular social media artists. So let me show you guys how to do this. It's very simple and easy. So on your Audiomack on your mobile phone like this, you move to your settings, which is the top right corner of your screen. So now let's tap on that and let's scroll down here and down. Let's move to edit profile. Good. And here, let's start with the edit. We can add a banner. We can add a profile picture. So with the banner, let's tap on that here. Good. And let's select something from our gallery and let's try to get a wider image. So yes, these are the images from mine. So let's wait a bit. Good. So let's use something like this, which is not going to fit much, but then yeah, something like this. And now we've added a cover. Now we can add a profile picture. So we choose the same thing and let's try adding someone's face. I have a lot of funny images rather than someone's face. Okay, let me let me use this face rather. Good. So we have this and now we can change our artist name. You get it? So the popular name that everybody will be using, let's say they call you Audiomack. Good. And your handle, that's what people are going to use to search you. You get it? They can use the Audiomack to search you, but it's like the handle, like your profile name, something like that. So it's like my name is Kbrother Tech on YouTube, but then when you search at Kbrother Tech, you're going to find me straight away. So now let's do it. Audiomack. Mostly you derive your user handle from your username. So Audiomack 1, 2, 3, because definitely someone is crazier than man. Yeah. So let's use Audiomack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know definitely someone is crazier than me, so they've chosen that name. So my label, let's say I'm on the Hit Records. You get it? Let's say you're a professional artist, popular one. You can add your hometown if you want to. If you have a website that people can book you or stream your stuff, you can add www.kbt.com, which is something I just guessed. And you can add your bio. So an artist from blah blah blah, inspired by blah blah blah, you add it there. Blah 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 blah, you get it. After that, you just leave it like. So after that, you leave it like that. And then I think I've talked about this, linking your social media profile. So you can link your YouTube, you can link your Linktree. I have a tutorial on how you can create a Linktree account. A full one, a free Linktree account. So you can check that out on my channel. And you can add your TikTok. I think TikTok is very popular now. So as an artist, you need to have a TikTok, a Facebook page. You can add it. And then an Instagram. So let me do one here for you guys to see. So my Instagram, I think my name is Michael Tafari, I'm sure, and it's 4. Yeah, so that's my IG handle, something like that. After that, you click on the save to save it and you're good to go. So now when someone hops on your profile, it's going to be more exquisite, more nicer. You can even tap on here and now you try to pin some sort of music. So on here, you can pin some music you want people to listen to. Let's say you have a latest release, you can pin it to make your profile look more professional. So now we scroll, and you can see highlighted. You tap on this pin here, highlight, and then you highlight it. So anytime they hop on your profile, they're going to see your professional profile and a pinned music that they're going to listen to straight away. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.